There are now less than few days remaining to the earliest rumored date for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's release. Samsung's next anticipated flagship phone is likely coming in January to wage war on the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Aside from the potentially earlier announcement and release date, we seem to already know a lot about the upcoming device thanks to the wide barrage of leaks and rumors flying around. One thing is for sure, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a major step in the Galaxy S series evolution going forward. A proper flagship should have lots of storage, even in the base version. The Galaxy S24 Ultra would most likely start at 256 GB of internal storage, just as much as the Galaxy S23 Ultra has, and also offer 512 GB of the stuff, as well as range-topping version with the whopping 1 TB of storage. Of course, the latter is quite expensive but could definitely fit all the photos and videos you are going to take with the phone. The majority of rumors regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra design claim that the Samsung might ditch armor aluminum and instead utilize titanium for the frame of the phone. This could make the flagship more rigid and corrosion resistant as well as boost its premiumness. The iPhone 15 Pro Max recently also substituted stainless steel for titanium, so it seems that the latter is quickly becoming the hot new commodity for flagships in 2023. This purported change in design would have saved the Galaxy S24 Ultra 1 gram of weight in comparison with the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 233 gram versus 234 gram. This is peculiar as titanium normally much denser than aluminum, so it's quite incriminating that Samsung has successfully shaved off some weight. Below, you see our renders of the Galaxy S24 series, the Galaxy S24 Ultra et al. Yes, it is clear as a day that we shouldn't expect a radically different S24 Ultra. The frame and the display are flatter than the last year's Galaxy S23 Ultra, making for one very iPhone 12, 13 or 14 looking Galaxy S24 Ultra. So expect a super premium candy bar phone with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 front in and back with an S Pen on deck and a mostly flat design. We don't anticipate any changes in the overall size of the phone, as the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display is unlikely to grow in size or shrink to a smaller footprint. In 2023, the news broke that Samsung has headhunted for the chief design officer of Mercedes-Benz China, Hubert H. Lee, who will be head of mobile experience at Samsung and could theoretically introduce design changes to the flagship. However, we don't expect a totally revamped design, as it feels like Samsung has definitely found its groove as far as its most advanced flagship looks and feel like.